Element 37, 36. I'm at element 36. Element 36 on the periodic table is known as krypton. Lost track of my list real quick. All right, this is Norris Teaches Science, starring me, Mr. Norris. This is a physical science edition video. We're still talking about some physics concepts in this part of the videos. If you've watched all of them from start to finish, um, these are machine basics. Just some basic stuff of how machines affect work and power. That's what you should understand by the end of this video. Let's get into it with what is a machine. A machine is a device that makes work easier. Work easier. All right. Think about it. What in your life makes you doing stuff easier? Like opening a doorknob. All right. Now, there's two divisions of a machine. You could have simple machines and you can have compound machines. And we're going to talk about those in another video. We're just going to talk about some basic stuff here. So, how do machines make work easier? What is the concept here? Well, they can increase force, like a car jack. It increases the force so you can lift things up. Like a car jack, you can increase the distance a force is applied, like using a ramp, or you can change the direction of an applied force like an axe blade. Now, when you talk about machines, you need to talk about two things. Talk about input force and output force. The input force is a force applied to the machine. You you do this. You input the stuff, or the person inputs the stuff. And we do have a symbol for it. It's F sub N, force N. Output force is the force applied by the machine. So the machine does the output force. Input you, output machine. Now the symbol here is F out, force out. Just remember input you, output machine. Same thing with work. Input work is the work you do, while output work is the work the machine does. Same thing works. Input you, output machine. The symbol for input work is WN, work in, and the symbol for output work is W out, work out. Work out. All right. Now the input and output work relationships. Input work equals output work in ideal machines. Input work equals output work in an ideal machine. The reason why is the law of conservation of energy. Energy cannot be created nor destroyed, but it can be transferred. And since work is the transfer of energy, that's what comes in here. And this is a little bit about the basics of machines and what they're doing in a physics sense. We're going to have another video talking about different types of machines, the simple machines, and how simple machines make compound machines. But I hope you learned something today. I'm Ms. Norris, and I'm out for today.